Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to slow down a video in YouTube or turn slow-mo on in YouTube. And if you find this quick video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, to slow down a video, make your way to the video that you want to slow down.
I have got to get my hands on a Krabby Patty.
And then when you get to that video, go to the settings and then playback speed. And here you can actually make it go faster. So if you wanted the video to go faster, you could select anywhere between 1.25 and 2, so twice the speed, or you can slow it down to 0.75, 0.5, or 0.25, the playback speed. So I'm gonna go ahead and select 0.25, and then I'm gonna resume the video, and you'll notice that it's a lot slower, both in the video side and then as well in the audio. And that's how you slow down a video in YouTube. If you found this quick video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.
There it is.